So as a SEBI registered investment advisor, I get to meet a lot of people, I get to talk to a lot of people. Last year, I met a gentleman about 55 years old, and he has a son, he has a daughter. So both of them are doing well, but still they are financially dependent on him. That's the reason why he was a little bit worried. He said that, look, I wanted to retire by the age of 60, but I don't think I can now because I want to make sure that my kids are settled. Now, as a parent myself, I understand the feeling. We want to make sure that our kids are settled financially, socially, in every aspect of life. Kids are all set before we decide to retire. But here is what I told him, that look, if you are worried about your death, death is an easy problem to solve, right? I mean, if you think about it, death is actually a very easy problem to solve, financially speaking, not emotionally. Financially, it's a very easy problem to solve because all you have to do is just buy a life insurance policy, buy any term insurance policy for 3 crore rupees, 5 crore rupees, 10 crore rupees, whatever you can afford. And if something happens to you, your family will be well taken care of. So the real question to ask is not what will happen to my family if I die. The real question to ask is what will happen to myself if I live. Now this is something that people don't realize, that the age expectancy of an average Indian is going higher and higher. Right, so we used to live up to, let's say, high 50s or even 60s. Now the life expectancy has gone to high 70s and even 80s and even 90s. So the real question that you have to ask yourself is that what will happen to me if I live longer, right? How will I take care of my monthly expenses? How will I take care of my medical expenses? Will I be financially independent, or will I have to depend on my family, my kids to take care of me? Where will I live? At some point of time, you will not be able to take care of yourself. So where will you live? Are you going to live with your family, or are you going to live in some assisted facility? If it is going to be an assisted facility, then who is going to take care of those expenses, right? These are some hard questions, really hard questions that we have to answer. But unfortunately, not a lot of people are actually thinking about this. So what I'm planning to do is, as part of this initiative to generate more awareness about retirement planning, I'm going to make a series of videos, short videos, which you can find them in this playlist, where I will talk about the importance of retirement planning and some very effective, simple solutions that you can implement right now so that you don't have to worry about your golden years and you can live your life comfortably. So once again, death is an easy problem to solve. The hard problem to solve is life, especially if it's a long one.